Hello beautiful people, seasonal greetings to you all and welcome back to V's Kitchen. In today's video, I will show you how I make this delicious looking bitter leaf soup and starch. So let's get started. So guys, these are the ingredients I'll be using for today's recipe. In here, I have some seasoning cube and salt. I have grounded pepper, dry fish, crayfish. I have banga sauce, washed beef. I have 2 mackerel fish. I have my goat meat, my main ingredients bitter leaf, washed, and I have palm oil. So these are all my ingredients for this soup. First, I will just go ahead and cut my mackerel fish.
I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry.
So after cutting, I rinse it properly before cooking.
I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory.
So next is to cook my proteins. That is my goat meat, my cow beef, and my mackerel fish. And I will be adding salt and seasoning cube. After 5 minutes, I take out my mackerel fish to avoid it from being smashed. Then leave the rest of my proteins to cook a little bit longer. So while my meat is cooking, I will just go ahead and grind my bitter leaf. I will be adding my crayfish and I will be grinding it with a little palm oil and water for easing a quick grind.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah.
My bitter leaf is ready guys, so next is to mix my banga sauce with hot water.
I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close.
So guys, my meat is almost cooked. So I'll just go ahead and add my bitter leaf, my banga sauce, I turn it together, then add a little water because it was super thick. Then I add my dry fish and my grounded pepper. So I turn it together and leave it to cook for a while before I will add my salt. So after about 3 minutes, I add my seasoning cube and salt.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity.
So when my soup was almost ready, I add my mackerel fish, then leave it for 2 more minutes.
I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah.
So guys, my bitter leaf soup is ready. So next is to make my starch. So this is my starch. I add warm water to mix it.
Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah.
After giving it a proper mix, I put it on my gas cooker. I add palm oil, then stir it together until it's thick and ready.
Life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more.
So when the starch is thick, I smashed it properly so there will not be any lumps in it.
Still finishing one,
Voila guys, my bitter leaf soup and starch is ready, looking so inviting and yummy. As per always, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not, feel free to share, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.